Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Make sure your phone runs iOS 15 or Android 11, then enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location so the app can find devices. Next, open the companion app and sign in with your existing account or create one if needed. This lets settings sync. Once signed in, grant notifications and background refresh. These keep connections alive. Doing these steps now prevents common connection delays later when you pair your device. Once done with initial setup, you move into pairing and detailed configuration. Open the app's pairing screen and select your device from the list. If nothing appears, toggle Bluetooth and refresh. When a code appears, compare it to the device display and confirm the matching PIN. This prevents accidental pairing with another gadget. After pairing, customize permissions, notification types, and sync frequency so the app updates only as often as you need. These choices control battery impact and data usage while keeping functionality intact. To finish, run a complete sync and test core features so you verify everything works. Make sure both the app and device firmware are updated to the latest versions, since updates often fix stability issues. If something goes wrong, first restart the app and device, then attempt to reconnect. If pairing still fails, uninstall and reinstall the app or remove and re-add the device profile. A key troubleshooting tip: check location and background permissions. Many failures stem from blocked access, so re-enable.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.